Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2007 Gehl 7810 with 6,695 hours. This skid steer has 115 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and is equipped with front auxiliary hydraulics and a hydraulic coupler. The lifting arm has a 3,675-pound lifting capacity and a 7,350-pound tipping load. The tires are tubeless 15 by 17.5s and have 25% tread. The enclosed cab features heating and air conditioning. If you're interested in this Gehl 7810 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.